Hello everyone, welcome to Explore for More. Today, let's paint our old metal trunk or a sandook and turn it into a beautiful piece of decor for our home. Have a look. The floral design with vibrant colors have given our old trunk a complete makeover. Have a look from the top, from the side. We can use the trunk as a table or just keep it on your bedside and arrange a lamp on it, or place it in your garden or on the terrace just the way I have done it. What all you need for this is an old metal trunk, oil paints. I have used paints from Asian Paints as they are quite economical and durable and give a glossy finish. The varnish is not required on them, but they take a little longer time to dry, so just be patient. Next, we need a solvent based primer, thinner for cleaning the brush, sandpaper, few flat brushes, and a pair of gloves as we are doing coloring with oil paints. Remove the rust, if any, from the trunk with the sandpaper and wipe it with a clean cloth. Using a flat brush, apply a coat of primer and let it dry completely. Draw the design on the primed surface and start coloring. Do not keep the trunk at a place where it might attract dust, as color will take some time to dry. The trunk is now ready to decorate your home. Please like, share and subscribe the channel, and let's see you in the next video to explore something new.